how to get $10 free on Epic Games. So I'm going to show you how to get $10 free on Epic Games. A 10 promo code that you can use to buy games on the Epic Games launcher. This is really easy. All you have to do is enable the email notifications and ads from specific games and Epic Games. From specific games, and Epic Games will give you a $10 code. So how you can do this is just open up the applications or the game launcher. So you need to simply open up your Epic Games. If you don't have the application, you can simply go for the login or the sign in page, and then you can log into your Epic Games. So enter your email address and then click on continue. Or you can also use all of these applications. You can use your Xbox, PlayStation, or all of these. So you need to simply enter your password of your Epic Games account. So once you've logged into your account, go for the upper right, and you can simply go for the account option. So if you go for the email preferences here, you will have an option. I would like to receive news, surveys, and special offers from Epic Games. So if you want to receive the $10, then you need to simply toggle this option on. You need to simply turn on the subscribe or unsubscribe option. So simply turn that on, and once you turn that on, within 24 hours you may receive a mail from the Epic Games. So you need to simply open up your mail after you've received. You need to tap on redeem now, which will be under your email. So you can simply click on redeem now option, and once you click on redeem now, and once you've redeemed, you will receive the $10, and Epic Games will thank you for staying connected to Epic Games through email, and you will have the 10 Epic coupons or local equivalent. In this case, this value will automatically be applied at checkout on any eligible game, and then you can click on learn more. Once you click on learn more, you will have the information when the offer ends, and you can have more details under your email. But once you click on redeem now, you will be redirected to your Epic Games application or the store. And then when you buy a game, you will be able to get that discount of 10 or buy the whole game if the game is less than that. So don't forget, if you want your free 10 on Epic Games, just go and enable your email notifications, and you should receive this email in the next 24 hours. And that's how you can get the free $10. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.